Hi, I'm David with DeployReady. If you're considering doing landscaping work for the government, this is worth knowing before you get started. The federal government is one of the largest buyers of landscaping and ground maintenance in the country. We're talking about military bases, VA medical centers, federal office buildings, national parks. They all need ongoing ground maintenance, and by law, a significant portion of the work is set aside specifically for small businesses. Right now, on SAM.gov, where you get the federal contracts, there are over 200 active listings for landscaping solicitations. These range from small task orders at a single facility all the way up to multi-year based contracts worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Most of them have no more than a handful of bids submitted. The challenge is most landscaping companies run into isn't the actual work, it's the paperwork. Finding the right contract, understanding what's required, pricing it correctly with prevailing wages, and putting together a compliant proposal. That process used to take weeks. I put together a 39-minute walkthrough on my channel showing exactly how to do all that, start to finish, using DeployReady. No experience with the government contracting required. Links are in the description if you want to check it out.